fine. Take care. Okay. Today we discuss about the exercise of lesson first, growing plants. But before that, we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now see first homework. Okay, student, you have take copy and pen. Now write exercise. Write T for true and F for false against the given statement. Write carefully and also fill the book. Okay. Now first see, embryo is the tiny plant inside a seed. This statement is true or false? Guess. Okay. I hope you are solved, but match your answer right or wrong. First, true. Embryo is the tiny plant inside a seed. This statement is true. Next, cotyledons contain stored food for new plant. This statement also a true. Yes, very good. This is a true. Cotyledons contain stored food for new plants. Third number, black soil is good for the growth of cotton and tea plants. Black soil is good for the cotton plants but not good for the tea plant. So this statement is false. Black soil is good for the growth of cotton plants and tea plants. This statement is false. Next and fourth number, rice, jowar, bajra are the kharif crops that grow in summer season. Yes, you know that on the basis of season, crops are two types, rabi crops and kharif crops. Rabi crops grow in winter season, but kharif crops grow in summer season. So this statement is also a true. Rice, jowar, bajra are the kharif crops that grow in summer season. This statement is true. I repeat again. See carefully. Okay, first, embryo is the tiny plant inside a seed. This statement true. Cotyledons, second number, cotyledons contain stored food for new plants. This statement also true. Third number, black soil is good for the growth of cotton and tea plants. This statement is false. And fourth, rice, jowar, bajra are the kharif crops that grow in summer. This statement is true. You have write this exercise in copy in proper way and learn also. I remind again, you have write name, class, section in comment box for attendance. Okay, you have write this homework in copy in proper way and also today. Okay, student, today I solved the two exercise, match the following and give one word for the following. First I solved the match the following. Column A, column B. In column A given rose, bryophyllum, pea, carrots and beets and potato. In second column, in B, new plants arise along the edge of the leaf. B, grow from root. C, grow from buds and bracket eyes. D, stem cuttings and E, explosion. Now write in front, you match, how to match, you write in this way, match the following, column A, column B. Here I write, those are correct, in front of, those are correct. Okay, side by side. Okay, first rose. Rose, you match to rose. Rose where? Match. Yes. Rose, first number. D, stem cutting. You know that rose, money plant, sugar cane, they grow from the stem cutting. So here write in front of rose, write stem cutting. First Roach stem cutting. Now second, here see, Bryophyllum. You know that Bryophyllum and Begonia, these both plants grow from leaves. Okay, see, new plants arise along the edge of the leaf. Here, right? New plant arise along the edge of the leaf. Okay, you write here second number. Now third, P. Seeds. You know that their seeds dispersed by which method? Yes, explosion. Third number here in front of here, right? Explosion. Now fourth number, carrots and beets. Yes, carrots and beets. You know that carrots and beets, both plants grow from roots. Yes, right. Fourth number here to match in front of carrot and beets, right? Grow from root. Now next and last, potato. One option is left here, so you write here fifth number. Potato grow from, in fifth number, right in front of potato, right? Grow from buds. And bracket right I. You know that in potato small I is found. This small I is called buds, and potato grow from their buds. Okay, I repeat again. Okay, roach stem cutting, Bryophyllum, new plants arise along the edges of the leaf. P, explosion. Carrots and beets grow from root, and potato grow from buds. In bracket eyes. Now next exercise. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. Here some statements are given. Use one word for their statements, for these statements. Baby plant inside the seed. Baby plant inside the seed. Guess, anybody? Baby plant inside the seed. Yes, right answer is embryo. EMBRYO. Next, first number completed. Second number, chemicals that enhance the growth of plants. Chemicals that enhance the growth of plants. Farmer use a chemical, and you give the name, chemical name. Yes, guess, anybody? Okay, right here, fertilizers. 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 What? Fertilizers. Next, third number, plants that have two cotyledons. You know that on the basis of cotyledons, plants are two types, monocot and dicot. Monocot plants have one cotyledons, and dicot plants have two cotyledons. So here asked what? Plants that have two cotyledons. Which type of plants? Yes, dicot plants. Dicot plants. Next and last, fourth number, crops that grow in winter season. On the basis of season, crops are two types: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. You know that what do you mean by Rabi crop? A crop that grow in winter season are called Rabi crops. And here asks what crop that grow in winter season. So here write Rabi crops. Rabi crops. I repeat again. Give one word for the following: baby plant inside the seeds, embryo, chemicals that enhance the growth of plants, fertilizers, plants that have two cotyledons, dicot plants, and crops that grow in winter season, Rabi crops. So all students, you take mark in book and then write in copy. I repeat again. Okay. Rose, you match rose to stem cutting. Bryophyllum, you match to bryophyllum to new plants arise along the edge of the leaf. Pea match to explosion. Carrots and beets match to grow from root, and potato match to grow from birds in bracket eyes. And give one word for the followings: baby plant inside the seeds, embryo, first embryo, second chemicals that enhance the growth of plants, fertilizers, and plants that have two cotyledons, dicot plants, are crops that grow in winter season, Rabi crops. Okay, you have write this homework, this classwork in copy in proper way, and also you fill the book. Okay student, now you have write the homework of lesson first, growing plants. Give short answers. Give short answers. Question number first, define germination. Question number 2, what are the necessary conditions for seeds to germinate? Question number 3, what is the role of cotyledons in the growth of a seedling? Question number 4, what is vegetative reproduction? Question number 5, how does soil affect the growth of plant? You have write down this homework in copy. Try to solve, but you know that next video I will solve. Okay, and I repeat again. You after this video means in comment box you have write name, class, section for attendance. Every day you have write. Okay, understand? All questions, exercise you have learned in proper way. Thank you.